Dr. Scholl's is celebrating a milestone year, and obviously somebody decided after the great pair of Dr. Scholl's sandals that I picked up last year, I said, Gwendolyn, you've got to make sure you get in on the good foot this time around. So what just arrived today? Let us see. Oh, buddy, are these not the cutest pair of wedges you've ever seen? Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. Okay, so we already know that Dr. Scholl's has been around for a very, very long time. And they are reintroducing some of their shoes with, of course, technology from today. And I gotta tell you, looking at this footbed, which looks like, wood, but it's not. It is the super cushiest that I could ever imagine. I cannot wait to get these on. Oh. So I said, you know what, Gwendolyn, let's go through the closet. Let's figure out what color we might need. And I am in need of a very nice black wedge for the spring and summer. And I'm here in Texas, so fall kind of helps out too. But something like this is just gorgeous. And I absolutely love, again, how they have created these footbeds that are literally just the softest thing. I'm sure it's going to be like floating on air. And yeah, you can't go wrong with a black wedge with a natural base. Like, that's just spring and summer all by itself. Now, I do believe this buckle here is adjustable, so we'll make sure that we can play with it, get myself together into it, and make sure it fits well. But let's see what it looks like with a couple of outfits. So let's dig in more into this shoe. So a couple of things. I attempted to find out whether or not this was adjustable, and I don't see how it's adjustable. I will say that I have a medium wide foot, not narrow, not wide, and so this feels pretty normal to me. I will also say that underneath here, although it is not adjustable, this extra cushion, oh my goodness, on the top of my foot felt like pillows. That's great because when it's hot and you're wearing your slides or your wedges, there's nothing worse than leather rubbing up against your skin. This is so much more comfortable, so I love how they added that in there. I also appreciate the bottom, the sole of this shoe. All these ridges, major difference. A lot of wedges and espadrilles will have a flat bottom, and depending on where you're walking and it happens to get wet or is a little slick, you can go slipping and sliding. So I'm happy that they added these ridges. I also really like this heel cup, right? So the heel goes right into the shoe. You dip down in it, and I'm gonna say it again, this is so cushy. This feels really, really good, which means I'm gonna feel like I'm walking on clouds when I am wearing this shoe all day, and that's major. We're talking summer, we know we're gonna be hot and agitated. The last thing I need is to have my feet not be comfortable. So Dr. Scholl's has really taken all of the latest greatest technology and put it into our favorite designs of their shoes to bring them up to date. So here are the final thoughts on the Dr. Scholl's Original 2 wedge. It's a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe with jeans. You've got just the right height It is comfortable all around, and those features, that insole, that is enough to go out and get a new pair of wedges. They have taken one of their original shoe designs, added some up-to-date technology, and made the shoe even better. That's enough to purchase it. And let's be honest, when exactly does a wedge go out of style? Somebody please let me know. Not only is it great with your casual wear, it's also great with the dressy stuff. So this is a shoe that will definitely be in my closet for some time to come.